everyone, this is Kulit of Nagabytes and welcome to my channel. So finally it's winter and it's getting colder here in Taiwan, and it's going to be Christmas, and a lot of people are buying their gifts. I saw a lot of people buying a lot of stuff, and I think they're going to have parties and of course have their family reunions, gather with their friends, and of course enjoy the Christmas. And on December 25, I'm planning to share and give love on Christmas Day here in Tainan City. I'm thinking of giving gifts to our friends who are living on the street. Most of them are homeless. Most of them are people who are trying to make a living by selling those small candies and biscuits. I noticed some of them, and they are selling like small snacks or tissue or gums or something. You know, here in Taiwan, we are already fortunate enough that we are not on lockdown and we can enjoy our Christmas as usual. But there are a lot of people who are not fortunate as we do, and I really hope and I really wish that they will have a happy Christmas, happy New Year, and hope that this pandemic will not be that long and it will be over soon. But you know, while we are not really enjoying this privilege of being here in Taiwan, there are a lot of street adults who are suffering and trying to keep up with this cold weather. It's winter, and of course there's not much we can do. Most of them are homeless and some of them doesn't even have any source of income. What I'm trying to say here is that I would like to raise awareness. I know there's a lot of organizations, there's a lot of volunteer groups, there's a lot of people donating and giving them food, and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for doing that. I also would like to thank those people who at least give their spare change, their like even a small amount of coins to our underprivileged friends on the street. And what I'm trying to do here is not really about giving donations, not about giving help. What I want on Christmas Day is to give them gifts, make them feel that they are part of our society, a society that even here in Taiwan we do exchange gifts, we do gift giving, we give gifts to our friends, our family members, and I would like to share that culture to them, share this practice to them. So I'll be buying a gift. I'm not really working. I'm not getting anything in the YouTube. Well, I'm doing a part-time job and I don't have that much. I'm just earning 4 digits, so don't think that I can buy a lot of things. So I'm going to buy a biscuit and I'm going to wrap it in a Christmas wrapper, of course, to make them feel that this is a gift. Okay, so we are now going out to buy the gifts, the biscuits. I'm going to RJ Mart, Bayanihan. And I was asked by the staff in RJ Mart, like, what am I going to do with this? Am I going to sell or something? I just told them that I'm going to give this as a gift to the homeless people in Tainan City, especially in those who are staying near the train station. And guess what? They also give me a gift. They give me a Toblerone. See, that's what I'm trying to say. It's like, if you do something good, people will also do something good for you. Like, what you do unto others will be done unto you. And doing a good deed, well, people will also be inspired and they will also do good deeds. And hope this good deed will also inspire you. Okay, so we already bought the gifts, but I need to buy a wrapper. But problem now is I only have 120. I just went through my drawers and tried to look for money so I can fill up and have the capability to buy the wrapper. And I just found this. I remember this is my... Yep. This is actually my prize when we won the 3rd place during the race in NCKU. This is my share. I never opened it. It's been 1 year. It's in my drawer, but I don't know how much it is. Sorry, it's just coins. AT&T. So now I have 180. Okay, so I found this and it's like 10 NT for one, and that's 50 to 70 centimeter, and I just bought this one. Okay, so we had a call this afternoon that someone would like to share their Christmas dinner to our friends on the street, so I'll be picking it up tonight, and another one also would like to join me, and I heard that he also wants to give something to our friends on the street, so hope we can give a smile. You know, a lot of people are spending their Christmas Eve with their families and eating the Christmas dinner. We only have our normal dinner, and I spent actually my whole evening wrapping these gifts, and it's actually finished. And hopefully a lot of, not really a lot, but hopefully we can give a smile to our friends on the street when they receive these ones. You know, Merry Christmas. Okay, so it's my first time to come to the city at this time, so we'll look at the situation first, if the homeless are already sleeping or what. We'll just check first. Actually, most of them are already sleeping, but I noticed that there are people giving food to them. Like you can see, there's like boxes of like breads, and there are some noodles. So I'm not sure if giving them the food tonight will be good. We are now here in Tainan City, and we are going to meet with another person who will give us the food that we are going to distribute to our friends on the street. Sure. Zero, drop out, shala. One more, and we're taking a lot of time. Okay, so Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas! Thank you very much for joining me, Alice and Hugo. And thank you very much for Mary Grace for preparing all the foods, and also the members of the language exchange. Okay, so this is my sleigh because I don't have that one. Just a scooter here in Taiwan. Hello everyone, and we are now here at Tainan Station, and we are going to start the gift giving. Let's go! After I give gifts here in Tainan train station, I might go around and give to those who are not staying here, because some of our friends on the street are not staying near the train station, so I'm going to keep on walking and try to look for them later. I cannot see anyone in the underpass. It's so clear. Oh, I can see one. So you can see it's very clear. Like a few days ago and a few nights ago, there's people sleeping on the ground. Yeah. 圣诞快乐. 因为圣诞是给予的季节，对，所以我要给你礼物。菲律宾的传统是给予，对，所以我要。菲律宾的，对，菲律宾的。好。圣诞节快乐啊！圣诞节快乐，谢谢你啊。I have to walk far because they are not staying in the train stations, so I'm now trying to walk around and look for them. It's really tiring. Okay, so not everyone likes to receive the gift, but please don't be 你要礼物吗？你要圣诞快乐！很累，我圣诞快乐！礼物再一个，好，
谢谢。
好，
还有一个，
真的？this is Philippine the Bingan Yansong the Kowe. I just passed by another person. He's asking me like, are you doing this with a group or something? And I told him, no, I'm doing this by my own. Although I really want to give the gifts regardless of the homeless, beggars, or people who are just trying to make a living. Some of them refused me and told me that they don't need it. So I told them that Christmas is the season of giving, and they smiled at me. So don't get discouraged or offended if they refuse. First things first, you should ask them if they need it, because maybe they want you to give it to those who really needs it the most. And I haven't had my lunch. I think it's already like 12 something. So just be careful when you're giving gifts. Ask them if they really need the gift, or otherwise some of them will think you're doing this out of pity. Remember to tell them that this is Christmas, this is our tradition, and it's the season of giving. And the reason I gave them the biscuit as a gift, because first of all, they can eat it when they are hungry and also sell it, because I saw a lot of homeless people there selling biscuits, candies, gums, all those small things, small snacks. I'm sure some of them, they bought it from like this shop, or they might have received it from other people, but yeah, that's the good thing. Like, if they can sell it and also buy foods that they really like, and I think that will be really good. 圣诞快乐！我有礼物，你要吗？礼物。这是饼干，洋葱的口味。饼干哦。对。好，圣诞节快乐！我有礼物，你要吗？饼干，洋葱的口味。要卖的啦。不用，因为圣诞节是给予的季节，所以我要给。要送的啦。对。谢谢啦。It was very tiring. I have my shoulder pain both left and right. Okay, so that's it, and Merry Christmas. Yeah, this is really hard. This is the reason why I have done a lot of this volunteering by myself. I have done a lot of like trying to help. I think it was like 34 or 35 or I think 36 families in a dump site in the Philippines, and yeah, I prepared a gift for them during Christmas when I went there. Of course, like it's not about the amount, you know. They're already happy with that small amount that I actually made a cake biscuit for them, and well, it's the thought that counts, you know.